They asked me why my house smelled so good, and this is the secret. In today's video, I'm going to show you a homemade recipe that I'm sure you'll love. It's super practical, easy to make, and requires very few ingredients. Welcome to Jennifer's Tips. To begin, we're going to take a container, preferably glass, and add 250 milliliters of water. Then, we'll add 60 milliliters of rubbing alcohol. The alcohol will help the areas where we apply the mixture to dry faster. Now, I'll add 60 milliliters of white vinegar. Next, we'll add a capful of concentrated fabric softener, the same one you use for laundry. Try to use a concentrated version as it provides a longer-lasting scent. If you've made it this far, I'd love to know which country you're watching from so I can send you a special greeting in my next videos. Immediately after, we'll add 2 tablespoons of concentrated aromatic essence of your choice. I'm using mint because it leaves a very fresh scent in the environment. The essence is optional, so if you don't have it at home, don't worry, the fragrance of the fabric softener will be sufficient. Mix everything well to ensure it's homogeneous. Take this opportunity to let me know any tips you'd like us to feature on the channel. Now, we'll take an atomizer and, using a funnel, gently pour the entire mixture in so that not a single drop spills. And now, I'll demonstrate how to use it in my house. You can spritz a little on your bedroom's bed to make it smell wonderful. Spraying it on the sofa will provide a refreshing feel for your guests, and you can also use it in the bathroom or anywhere else in the house. The best part is that it lasts a long time, and you can always prepare it with just a few ingredients you already have at home. This method can save you a lot of money on expensive home fragrances that don't last long. Try making this fragrance and then come back to tell me how it turned out. I'm sure you'll love it. If you'd like to receive more tips like these, leave a comment below. I want more tips, so I know if I'm doing it right. Today's special greetings go to Janie Knowlton from Nebraska and La Sean Reed from Detroit. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more tips like these.